If you're not feeling refreshed when you wake up in the morning, you're not going to get a lot of things done. I'm going to give you 3 powerful pre-bedtime routine that's really going to help you wake up with more energy, feeling lighter and not tighter. So let's get down to it. The first one is avoid all gadgets 2 hours before your bedtime. This helps you with your circadian rhythm. Number 2, get a full body stretching. I'm talking about deep, intense stretching. If you can get it for 15-20 minutes, you're good to go. And then lastly, get a warm bath after your stretching. So this is going to help you with your blood flow and enhances your sleep as well. So when you do these things for a consistent period of time, you're going to wake up lighter. When you wake up lighter, you're going to have a better energy and you're going to get a lot of things done. Make this as a ritual every single day and share it with anyone else who needs this. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.